Hey, Chef Randy Feltis here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful garlic studded spinach omelet. So for this perfect breakfast or lunch, you're going to need some farm fresh eggs, a little bit of spinach, some fresh bocconcini, diced up garlic, touch of butter, and some fresh chives. Okay, so listen, we got a garlic studded spinach, but you know what we have to start with? The garlic and the spinach. Just a touch of olive oil, garlic. We're basically going to hit it with a ton of spinach. And you're probably thinking, wow, that's a lot, but don't worry, it melts down, but all that goodness stays in. So get it in the pot, stir it around, hit it with a little bit of salt and pepper. Just let that sit and wilt. So, 3 farm fresh eggs. Free range are always best. Give it a healthy whisk. And our spinach is wilted. We're just going to take that off the heat now. We don't want to cook it out too much because the moisture will come out. Just want to wilt it down. This is the fun part. A touch of butter. I know it's a healthy recipe, but we just need a little bit, and the butter truly makes the eggs a little bit lighter. We don't need to add milk, we don't need to add cream, just the butter, and then hit it with the eggs. Take that cooked part from the outside edge and just kind of bring it in. We're going to add the bocconcini. Just rip them in half. Take this off the heat, and then in goes the spinach. Oh, this is the good stuff. Here comes the flip. And then we're going to fold it over. Just slowly bring it back. And there you have it. The perfect garlic studded spinach omelet. Fresh mozzarella. Trust me, you'll totally impress your friends and family with this dish, and for the recipes and the tools I used, you can shop right here at tsc.ca.